Have you ever imagined the relief of not worrying about retirement and where your money works? Creating stability in life is more than just working 12 hours a day. It's about empowering yourself with the skills that make your money work for you, giving you the financial freedom you desire. This empowerment puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey, giving you the control you need to build a stable and secure future. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder and CEO of Facebook, has shown that the path to wealth and success requires unending persistence, discipline, diversification, and meaningful connections. This video presents meaningful advice from Mark Zuckerberg on how to make money work for you and attain financial freedom. Are you ready to embark on a journey to success and find the missing key to your financial freedom? Stick to the end, as each piece of advice will change your life. Advice number 1. Invest in what you understand. While it may be tempting to follow trends and invest in the latest happenings, sticking to what you comprehend is crucial to minimizing the risk of financial loss. Mark's success with Facebook demonstrates the power of investing in what you know and understand. So don't just follow the crowd. Invest in what you truly understand and believe in, and watch your financial life become more stable and sufficient. Advice number 2. Diversify your work. While excelling in one area is commendable, spreading your investments across different industries can provide a sense of security. Even if engaging in multiple jobs isn't feasible, ensure that the income from your primary expertise is diversified across various platforms. This will provide a safety net when needed, boosting your confidence in your financial stability. This pattern has been tested to provide the security many individuals need today. The future is uncertain, so rather than trying to tackle or predict the problem, it's best to prepare for it. Advice number 3. Prioritize people over profits. Remember, the people make the company, not just the profits. When building a team, prioritize hiring exceptional individuals. Look for passion, adaptability, and a strong work ethic. Mark emphasizes the importance of only hiring someone if you would work for them in return. Exceptional teams yield excellent results, and placing capable individuals in charge of tasks leads to outstanding outcomes for your company. Advice number 4. Focus on the set vision. Maintaining a clear goal can be a powerful motivator when facing challenges. Mark's unwavering focus on Facebook's vision enabled him to overcome obstacles and succeed. Let this be a guiding light, inspiring you to stay focused on your vision. It's much easier to give up when the goal isn't clear. However, once you and your train are set on a cordially agreed upon destination, the movement becomes even smoother. Set that goal today and start working on your future. Advice number 5. Build meaningful relationships. Cultivating meaningful connections and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals enables growth. Networking is a crucial growth driver, allowing you to connect with people with a clear vision. Strong relationships with colleagues and friends contribute to a productive workflow in your personal and professional life. Remember, it's not just about the work, it's about the people you work with that make the journey worthwhile. This method comes in handy when you're backsliding. The people you keep around you will help motivate you or destroy your passion. Advice number 6. Learn to separate your personal and professional lives. It's convenient to say you want to uplift others. So instead of bringing in people who can brainstorm and solve problems for your company, you crowd your area with friends. On the other hand, Mark took the opportunity to rid his company of any worker who no longer added value. Your company's needs should top everything else. You should organize your company so it will not crumble, even if you're absent for a day or a month. Your business's foundation is necessary for its future growth. Advice number 7. Think big. Start small. Many individuals today think that to build an empire, you need a massive startup. Mark Zuckerberg set up Facebook with barely anything. He began with college students. What you start your company with does not determine its worth. Your company's true worth lies in the determination and persistent actions you take to make it a giant empire. So today, don't let that coin stop your action. Get up and move. Advice number 8. Save and invest diligently. Saving in today's world is quite underrated. People complain that their income is insufficient for daily expenses, and saving amidst that would be impossible. However, saving is an essential feature for growth that helps you bounce back from failure, to tackle emergencies and ensure that it is not enough tool to pull you down. This act of saving ensures that your money works for you, and investing ensures that your money isn't just sitting idle. Through stocks, real estate, or other investment circles, you ensure that your money works overtime for you and can save you when needed. Advice number 9. Empower yourself by utilizing the available technology. Today, saving and financial management are at your fingertips with the tools at your disposal. These tools allow you to budget, invest, and track income flow and spending, putting you in control of your financial journey. Mark understands the power of leveraging technology to access a solid financial base and has utilized that knowledge to grow his wealth. Make sure you utilize the tools and platforms today and watch your business grow and your wealth increase. Advice number 10, move fast and break things. As rebels, we can't take the whole package without a little twist. Mark's ideology stretches this far. He pushes his team to be the best and allows them to move fast and break things. Mark's approach involves taking risks, learning from what works and what doesn't, and then adapting to make what is possible work optimally for you. This strategy allows for failure and mistakes and sees them as valuable learning opportunities, fostering resilience and optimism. Every business owner who wishes to grow must adapt and follow this advice to achieve the turnaround they dream of. What advice resonated the most with you? Are you planning to implement these tips? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments. In summary, if you want to build wealth, remember to take calculated risks, diversify your portfolio, focus on building lasting wealth, invest wisely, and give back to society. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? Don't just sit back. Join the rebellion. If you want to find more ways to increase your wealth and invest wisely, like this video and share. Show some love and subscribe. We will return with more inspiring and life-changing videos on Sunday at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time next week.